Hi everyone, we're going to do a solution to the coding challenge for today, which is called Secret Society. The goal is to create a function that will accept a list of names, and then the function should return a string that is the first initial of each of those names all together as a single string, but in alphabetical order. So notice that Adam, Sarah, and Malcolm becomes AMS with M before S in order to conform to the alphabetical ordering. So let's go ahead and get started with this function. We'll call it society name. So we'll do a def, and the function accepts one argument. So we'll set up a parameter LST because we saw that the examples are taking in a list of names as the argument. All right, I'm going to start off by creating an empty list. We do this so often, and there are actually two methods that I'd like to use in this solution that require a list data type. One is the sorted method. It's a function actually that can work on lists or tuples or sets, I believe. Maybe even dictionaries. So that's a useful function. The other method that I want to use is the join method to pull together the letters once I have them in alphabetical order. So that's a brief outline of how I'm going to go about this. So I'm going to start with an empty list called letters, and then I know I need to iterate through the list. So for I and LST, let's just start by printing I at index 0 at index 0 because we're going to be extracting the first letter of each of the names. So this should give us something. Yeah, so I do have the first letter of each of their names. They're not in alphabetical order. They're not in the list. So let's go ahead and put them in a list by appending to the empty list. Okay. I'll do, yeah, let's, of course I'm going to change this, but as we know, the development of these functions is non-linear, so I'm just going to return the letters to start with and then make some changes. Okay. So it's working. Now let's get a result. Let's call this sorted letters equals sorted. Okay, so we take the object we've created and we sort those, and then let's return the result. Okay, so now they are in order. That's good. Next, we want to join the output. So we're going to say result equals, then we have a symbol to join the letters together. So I'm going to do symbol.join. So I'm just joining with nothing, no character, right? We know we can use this method with any character. If I wanted to use a dash or something, I could have a dash instead of an empty space, but I just want nothing there. So I'm going to do .join, and then the list of characters that I want to join is sorted letters. Okay, and I want to make sure I return the result. Okay, looks like we are good. Everything is working as it should. So just to review, we've done a solution to the Secret Society coding challenge. It was important to figure out what kind of data collection to use in order to implement the methods sorting and joining characters together. All right, thanks.